1 to go, 2.5 miles left.
Get 3 and 4 there, try and create your little gap. Still single file, got one by himself out of line. At the back here. Just try and get your little gap. 5 back to the second lane, not going anywhere. 24 with you still, just keep that 24 in your mirror. Right with you here.
Legacy's being patient. Is this the right thing to do? Look at him creating that gap we talked about. Opening.
Inside 24, inside 24.
Ben Rhodes.
Keep coming.
Ben Rhodes
outside
trying to get a run.
41. Just keep rolling, keep rolling.
Rhodes trying to get a run on the outside. Can Sauter hold him off? Here they come through the tri-oval. Sauter holding back Haley. And Johnny Sauter is going to win the season opener at Daytona.
Yeah! Good job! Good job, guys! Yes! Yes! Great job, guys! Great job, everybody!